So here's some good news for Indian exporters as Europe is finally ready to recognize India's own carbon credit market. And this is something that could make things a little easier when selling products like steel, you have cement, aluminium or fertilizers as well to the European Union, and we are big exporters to that particular region. Now let's take a step back. What's the CBAM everyone's talking about? It's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, which is basically Europe's carbon tax at the border. The idea is simple. If a company in Europe has to pay for its carbon emissions, then why not companies which are importing those goods to the European Union? They should face the same carbon cost. Otherwise, it's unfair competition, right? So, say if India exports steel to the European Union, they will have to calculate how much carbon went into making that steel, and European Union will tax it accordingly. So what is the change now? The change is whatever carbon price Indian companies are already paying under India's domestic carbon credit market, that is something which will be set off against the one that you have to pay in the European Union. It will be deducted from the EU's CBAM charge. In short, you will not get taxed twice, once in India and then again in European Union when you are importing those goods. This is something which will impact the financials positively for a lot of these companies because Europe will give you credit for it. But do remember, India's carbon market is still developing. We don't have regulated markets like the West, and hence how carbon credits will be calculated in this case and in India, and how this will be executed as well on ground will be key to watch.